Hi guys and welcome back to another video. And today, we will be listing all the roles in an ant colony that is essential for the survival and success of the group. In most ant colonies, there are usually four main castes: queens, males, workers, and major workers. Before we start analyzing all the various roles we can find in an ant colony, do you know that you can actually keep ants as little pets? Yeah, you heard right. Ants as pets. Now let's examine in detail the role that each one of them plays in the colony. The queen ant is without a doubt the most important member of an ant colony. In the vast majority of cases, she's the only reproductive member of the formicarium, and she's essential for the survival and success of the colony. The queen is responsible for the laying of the eggs, which, with a little bit of time and patience, will hatch into new ants, turning into the next generation of workers. She is typically a lot larger and longer lived than the other ants, and, due to her crucial role, gets preferential treatment over all the other members of the colony. Usually, the queen will mate with one or more male ants, known as drones, early in her life, and then spend the rest of her days solely focused on reproduction. From that day, she will start to lay eggs continuously, helped in her job by the worker ants designated to care for the young, until they are old enough to take on roles within the colony. The role of male ants, also known as drones, varies depending on the species of ant. In the vast majority of cases, male ants only appear during the mating season, where they will compete with other males to mate with a queen ant. After mating, they will die or be driven out of the colony. In other species, male ants have more permanent roles within the colony, such as foraging for food or defending the colony from external threats. However, their primary purpose is still reproduction, and they will mate with the queen ant whenever she is ready to lay eggs. The role of worker ants is crucial for the overall success and survival of the colony. As the most numerous members of the colony, worker ants are responsible for performing a wide range of tasks and duties that help to keep the colony functioning. In most cases, worker ants are typically female and are not capable of reproduction. Instead, they devote their lives to caring for the young ants by tending to the eggs laid by the queen ant, and by performing all the tasks needed to maintain a healthy and thriving colony. This includes foraging for food, building and maintaining the nest, and defending the colony from threats. In some ant species, worker ants may also have specialized roles within the colony. For example, some worker ants may be tasked with scouting for new sources of food or potential threats, while others may be responsible for caring for the young ants or maintaining the nest. Some species of ants have another caste. In addition to the one discussed before, these particular types of ants are called major workers, and as the name suggests, are usually larger and more heavily built than normal worker ants. The main role of major workers is to perform tasks that require more strength and endurance than the typical worker ant. They are usually responsible for tasks such as foraging for food, carrying heavy loads, or defending the colony from various types of threats. While major workers may not be as numerous as the other worker ants in the colony, their role is still essential for the colony's success. They are able to perform tasks that other ants are not capable of, and their physical abilities help to ensure the continued survival and growth of the colony. The division of labor within a colony is without a doubt a fascinating and complex phenomenon. The caste system in ant societies continues to intrigue and fascinate researchers and enthusiasts alike, highlighting the enormous intelligence and organization skills of these little insects. If you want to start this fantastic hobby called ant keeping, you should definitely check out my other video that I will list in the description. Thank you all for watching.